Hey everyone, it's been a while, but we have another Lexus IS350 F Sport in the shop. This is a 2024. I think the last one we did was a 2022, maybe a 2023, I don't remember. But it's actually the same color, it's this pearl white color. I'm not sure what your favorite color is, let me know in the comments. But we're gonna be installing a hood. We're gonna be doing hood, front bumper, grille, and mirrors on this car in PPF with Autobahn Incognito, and then the rest of the car is going to get ceramic coating, and this is what I've been calling the critical impact package, which covers like the real primary parts that get hit by rocks: the hood, the bumper, and the mirrors. So come check this out. All right, so we already got the car cleaned up and decontaminated, but what we're going to do here is we're gonna do a little bit of clay bar. It really honestly doesn't feel like it needs it, but I'm gonna do it anyways just in case. And I got this clay towel. It's great for this type of application where it's not super bad. And we're gonna be clay barring this whole car. Well, you're gonna see me at least clay barring on camera. You're gonna see me clay barring the areas that we're gonna PPF as the primary concern, but we'll do the rest of the car as well as part of the ceramic coating package. And this particular clay towel is great for the applications where we're not polishing before ceramic coating, like this car, because it doesn't mar the paint. So if you have a really heavy contamination, you're gonna need an actual clay bar, but this clay towel, it's an auto fiber holy clay towel. We use that for lighter jobs and jobs where we're not gonna polish. All right, so what I'm doing here, and you see me doing it in a lot of videos, but I don't know that I've ever mentioned it, but we put these wheel covers on, and the reason is wheels and tires, especially tires, are dirty. So when I'm doing the bumper, I don't want to accidentally touch a piece of the tire or touch a piece of the PPF to the tire and get it filthy. So we put these wheel covers on. I get it from a buddy of mine. If you need the link, let me know, and I'll send you the link. We got our custom logos printed on it.